Wait lang, baby.
Don't be scared.
Wala sa ulo. My head.
Wala sa payong.
Payong. Maglapit na yan siya sa'yo. Ganyan mo lang ang hand mo. Oh, yun o, naglapit na.
Sige, mga
Ganyan mo. Open
Stay lang. Stay in one place. Don't move around. Okay? Stay in one place. Oh, yan. Yan lang.
Andiyan ba siya sa payong mo, Joy?
Tatamate. Oh, that's cute.
Don't be scared. Hindi mo siya makagat, okay? Just eating the nuts.
More.
Are you scared? Yeah, you're scared. I can see you.
Wow.
He's not crying. Oh.
Ay, ang tiil niya.
Dito kay daddy. He will eat here in your hands.
Ay, tita.
Nasa ulo din na yan.
Muna yun, no?
Do not grab the bird.
Try me.
Ah, sorry po.
Oh, where's your hand?
Give me yellow to me.
Go. Give me your hand. You will feed it.
Hello.
Don't be scared.
Ay, there's a parrot, love. Hello. Oh, yan na. Feed mo na siya.
Wait lang.
Feed the bird.
So, na ako kayo pagkaon ba?
Ano, suko?
Hello ka dito, Becca. Ay, ka dito, Becca, sir. Saan your head? Tata. Hello. Ay! Hello mo.
Give baby. Feed sa'yo, Abby.
Don't grab, okay?
No grabbing.
Are you not scared? Ouch!
Kasi yan na po daw. Yan o.